Namaste everyone. In today's video, we're going to focus on Muni Patanjali's Yoga Sutra 2.16. Now, in this Yoga Sutra, Muni Patanjali helps us to understand that dukkha, as we'd understood in the previous sutra, is definitely present, but it can be managed, especially the future misery can be managed, and we can safeguard ourselves or live consciously enough to be aware of this dukkha. So let's look at the sutra and start breaking it up word by word to understand it even further. The sutra itself goes, Heyan Dukkham Anagatam. So quite a short sutra there, and let's look at the meanings of each of the words. Heyan over here is talking about that which can be avoided, that which can be done away with. And the next word here is dukkha, which is talking about pain or misery. And finally, the next word is anagatam, which is that which has not yet come or that which has not yet arrived. So now if we look at the entire meaning of the sutra, it is telling us that the pain that has not yet come or the future pain of our lives can be done away with through the process of yoga and through certain practices. So a lot of times people believe that Indian philosophies are quite pessimistic or little negative in their outlook, but what actually the sutra is trying to tell us is that it's very important to be aware of something, to accept something first before you change it or make an improvement in it. And that is exactly why we need to pay attention to the sutra and realize that actually it's a positive affirmation. It's trying to tell us that, look, pain and misery are a part and parcel of life. They do come our way. But if we're a little bit wise about it, we can avoid it or reduce it to its minimum. And that doesn't mean we stop living. That doesn't mean that we stop experiencing life. But the more mindfully we experience it and the more aware we are that we and other people can experience pain, we'll approach life with a certain level of kindness and empathy. So this sutra, going back to the sutra, is trying to say that the most fundamental element is that your future pain, your future dukkha can be avoided and can be done away with. And once we understand that, it gives us a sense of inspiration, motivation and positivity that the future at least can be brighter than any pain we've experienced in the past or that we're experiencing in the present. So that's what the sutra is trying to say. It's truly a motivational sutra if you look at it the right way. And I hope you found this one helpful. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think and what you believe the sutra is saying to us and how we can learn the most from it. Other than that, I hope you found this helpful, and I suggest that you do share this video with your family and your friends. Apart from that, I also look forward to seeing you in our future sessions. The link is in the description if you'd love to join us, and we'd love to see you in class. I'm going to see you in the next video real soon. Until then, take care and keep practicing. Namaste.